Good morning. I'm Adrian Ailabak. On project is designing to develop an application software from business management tailored to help enterprise management their business more efficiency in today competitive and complex business environment. Enterprise need the tools that allow them to handle tasks such as sale, tracking, customer relationship management, and financial reporting, which creating else purpose of this project is to create software solution that prove these capabilities in one integration user-friendly. The purpose of the study is to create a business management application that caters to enterprise by helping them street streamline operation like sale tracking and customer relationship management, as well as generate real-time report from better decision making. This tool aims to reduce manual error and improve efficiency, allowing extra operation, particularly in the BSE department, to make better business decisions. Our business management software often a sort of tools designing to multiple key business operation. It includes the robust accounting, future form, accurate financial tracking, inventory management to keep stock under control, customer relationship management to foster better click interaction, and human resources management to streamline employee tasks. The software is user-friendly and will it real-time data analyze capability and empower users to make proven decisions to drive growth and innovation. The main objective of our project is to develop a comprehensive business management software solution that enhances the overall productivity of enterprise. Additionally, the system is designing specifically for BSE department, where it will be used to management project and proposal on their goal, including improving the accuracy of financial report and assurance the security and compliance of business and customer data. We follow a design process in developing this application. Number 1. Plan. We define the scope of the project and define problem enterprise face, then interview which BSE student. Number 2. Design. We create software frame and prototype of design user friendly enterprise. Number 3. Develop the coding phase individual collaboration from small update to sure smooth functionality. Number 4. Tested the software to verify in future and performance. Number 5. Develop the software was released from both admin and user within the BSE department. Number 6. Review feedback from user was collection to ensure continuous improvement. The system follower introduction, input, process, output, module, admin, prove, interaction, and system process them to develop stable result. This framework ensures smooth interaction between user and the system, from web application to complex operation. The admin has control over various functions within the system. They are impossible from enrollment, pressure, adding, removing, or updating business information, and monitoring their daily production. Then the UFID. User faculty student from the BSE department can use the software to collaboration on business tasks. They can apply to specific project, track, sale, and management other business related activities. This allow them to monitor their progress and stay employment in real time. The software requests the following to run smoothly. Software requirements: Android 7.0 or higher, and iOS 11 or higher, along with the tools like PHP by admin, Visual Studio Code, and SAP. Hardware requirements: device which at least a goal core CPU and 2 GB of RAM are needed for manual performance, but we recommend higher specification for optimal use. Let's look at the enterprise user and admin will interact with various features. Login registration, secure login from both admin and user. Menu and clear accessibility menu for easy navigation. New feed admin monitor business updated here. User profile personal profile from both user and admin. Inbox communication though internal messenger system. Included admin can manage business schedule efficiently. The concluded our business management software empower enterprise by providing them with the tools they need to streamline operation, make better decisions, and foster innovation. This integration solution exchange productivity and efficiency, making it an essential tool for modern enterprise looking to thrive in today's competitive business environment. We recommend adding more features to the software to improve its functionality, particularly in the areas like financial management, CRM, and reporting. This feature will help enterprise track financial health, improve customer relationship, and generation manifold report, ultimately adding long-term business growth. We conducted a review of literature on enterprise resources planning (ERP) system. ERP system prove an integration view of care business processing and allow for better management of resources such as cash row, materials, and production capacity. The global ERP market is estimated to be worth 13.5 billion and its growing adoption among smaller enterprise higher in its performance. We also reviewed literature on software entrepreneurship, which focusing on developed software solutions that are put to real use in the market. Enterprise often face changes like running out of cash, facing strong competition, but successful entrepreneurship release of solving this problem and creating innovative solutions that meet real world needs. Another key topic, we exploring the impact of open source software on global entrepreneurship. Studies show that creative application in open source platform like GitHub, Careless, which are rich as technology feature, financial deal, and business of activity. Open source software play a significant role in driving entrepreneurial activities worldwide. To close, we believe our business management software will significant benefits enterprise by providing them which an all-in one solution to management their business processing, especially which the right exchange in can serve as key tools, helping enterprise make better decisions, optimize their operation, and drive future growth.